to the last sample for this homepage. Total 5 is the last sample is talking about how you can change the shape of one original object. We call that is warp the square. So let's see from the effect. So it's originally is the square, then it's changed to that to like our fan. So first you can see here we definitely we will define a square, then we directly go to the play, and here is apply point-wise function. Point-wise function is just is come to the every point. So with lambda function, we define the point and use this complex to R3 function to define R3 to complex. So, and then the second argument will be the square, then that will be the simple move. So let's build this quickly. So 0, 11. And if I create this code that just the warp square, so let me create this, oh, not come this 6, so I click this 11, then create this warp square py. So from Manim import everything. So that is the py, and let's make the class warp square scene and define construct self, and we have this square equal to square. If you want to use other type of the object, you can put that is self play. Then with this self play, we will build this apply point-wise. You can see apply point-wise function. That is this one, and we make that also our enter. So first is the lambda is our point. So that is the complex to R3. So is this function. Then let's just make that empty, and then square. So let me try to run this. So with this Manim. Oh, okay. So we should go to Manim tutorial 2.11. PQL, and then warp square. It's fine, you get arrow, but we got certain the folder. So you can see we have this one. It will be the over MP4. So it's coming to here. So what we need to add is using this NumPy R3 to complex define the points. This point is using the second argument is the square. So once we have this, we will be able to run. Now let's see. Yep, you can. So just the 2 times is complex to R3, R3 to complex. So with this point build R lambda, this formula. So that is very easy. Is we made our such kind of this morph. So we can put that as self weight in the last. Then let's make the running again. Yep, that is the last sample. So with this, we have done this warp square. So and we finished this second part home pages example. And then we can hold a little bit, and the next one, well, we will go to the number 3, back to analyze the tutorial about some setting and configuration from Manim as our language or library. There's our output folder section and some command line flags we will discuss. So see you in this next video. Bye for now.